Hello dear traders, we're glad to welcome you on InstaForex's TV channel. You're watching the weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. In this edition, which will be the last in 2016, we are going to discuss the ongoing situation in the Forex market. Besides, technical analyst Petr Jakimovic will help us forecast further dynamics of popular trading instruments. What sentiment prevails as traders are going on the New Year holidays, and what dynamics to expect in the first week of 2017? Hello, Petr. Let's start with the euro-dollar pair as usual.
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting lower price on the euro versus dollar. I found a strong downward trend in the background, and I placed the Fibonacci expansion levels to find the downward target. I got the Fibonacci expansion 161.8% at a price of 1.0235. From the different reaction numbers, I also got a Fibonacci expansion 161.8 expansion at 1.0075, which is also a second downward target. Watching the TPO chart and watching the market profile analysis, I found a selling tail in the background. We have a lot of single prints, which is a suggestion that we may expect lower price, and then some long-term money basically sold at that point. Also, if I observe the previous days, and I found a very poor lows, so I don't think so that sellers finished their job, and in my opinion, sellers may build more selling on the euro versus dollar, so watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks with a first target at 1.0235.
How clear is the forecast for the pound-dollar pair dynamics?
I'm expecting downward movement on the British pound versus the US dollar. Similar like on the euro, the British pound is also on the strong downward trend, and I have placed the Fibonacci expansion levels to find potential targets. I got the first potential target at 1.2085 and potential second target at 1.1910. I must say that I also, using the market profile and using the auction process, auction chart, I found the poor lows in the background on the British pound versus the dollar. I see the lower value in the previous days, so I see that willing of the sellers to build lower value, which is sign of the weakness and sign of the downward momentum. So my advice is absolutely to watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks with a target, with the first target 1.2085.
How strong is the US dollar in the pair with the Japanese yen?
I'm expecting upward movement on the USD versus Japanese yen. USD versus Japanese yen is in strong upward trend on the long-term perspective, on the mid-term perspective. Most recently, the price, I found some drop, but in my opinion, this is only a reaction from some weak holders in the higher price on USD Japanese yen. Price is still right now testing the 21 simple moving average according to a daily time frame. The similar like last week. The still target remains the same, 121.20. So 121.20 is the upward target in USD Japanese yen, and there is a Fibonacci expansion of 161.8%. Also, the highest high currently on the USD Japanese yen looks like a very poor high, and I found higher value, basically building higher value. And my advice is absolutely to watch for buying opportunities in this currency pair with a target at 121.20.
Did the recent rise in the Canadian dollar amid high crude prices scare the greenback loony bulls away?
I'm expecting upward movement of USD versus Canadian dollar. USD CAD tested my original target from last forecast, from my previous forecast previous week, and that is the level of 1.3590. That is a previous swing high resistance, and my advice is to watch for a potential breakout of this resistance and to confirm further upward continuation. USD CAD is still in upward trend according to the daily time frame, and it's still in the upward trend channel. And my advice is to watch for buying is above 1.3590. The target is set at the 1.3855, which is actually Fibonacci expansion 161.8% according to the daily time frame. Again, upward channel, upward momentum, and Fibonacci expansion 161.8 is untested. Watch for a breakout of 1.3590 to confirm further upward continuation.
Thank you, Petar, for your valuable recommendations, and see you next week. ИнстаФорекс technical expert Petar Yakimovic has presented his trading recommendations on ИнстаФорекс TV channel. Don't miss our next edition in the new year of 2017. We wish you nice holidays. Bye.